Welcome to the front of me ZTE Axon 30, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. So to do that, we should first open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here we can see ring volume panel, and just to mute our device ringtone, we should hold and swipe this volume panel to the left side with our finger. Also, we can make it just by this way, just to switch ring to vibration, or also we can make it by the third way, just press up or down volume button. But first, be sure that here in volume button control you have selected ringtone, not media, so just switch it, and after that by press to the down volume button we can also mute ringtone volume. And that's it. And just one more way, you just can make it by this way, just hold and swipe to the down this volume panel. After that, when you will press power button. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.